Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. This is a unique Kia K900. I don't see many of these in this part of the country. This is the top of the line of Kia. This car happens to list for about $55,000, so this is not your average Kia. It's got the V8, got the backup camera, backup sensors, front sensors. Beautiful 20-inch aluminum wheels, nice tinted windows. Reminds me of a Jaguar of BMW 7 Series. Drives just as good for much less money. Got the automatic adaptive HID headlights, LED daytime running lights. These here light up white. It's real pretty. Pearl white in color. One owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, Southern car. It's got the passive active key, power folding mirrors. Beautiful interior. It's got memory seat, heated and cool seats. This is how you adjust your seat. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Leather's in good shape. No sign of wear. They are heated and cooled. Lumbar supports, got some nice, good quality floor mats. They're clean. Got the power trunk lid, park assist, traction control, power telescopic tilt, push start button. All you do is push your phone and brake. It's only got 42,000 miles. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your audio controls on the steering wheel. Bluetooth for your phone and audio streaming. Cruise control. Automatic rain sense wipers. Automatic headlights. Leather wrapped dash. Got a nice large navigation system. AM FM Sirius satellite. Bluetooth audio, you gotta set all that up, but got a nice analog clock. Get your backup camera. Dual automatic climate control. There's your CD player. Automatic transmission with manual shift. This reminds me again of the BMW. It's like your mouse to control everything. Got a power wheel shade. Very nice. It's got the auto dimming rearview mirror, compass, universal garage door opener, panoramic sunroof. And got also power shade. I think it's too high. Pretty nifty the way it closes. Interior is very clean. Very good condition. I do have the extra key. Owner's manual. Original window sticker, 55,455. So for less than half the money, you can get this car. And it's in like new condition. Oops, I was gonna leave it running so I can show you the back. Amazing back seat's got lots of leg room. This is a long car, so feels like a limousine. Got your power, your window shade. Oops, guess I didn't have the camera showing this, but so between the back one and the front one, you can keep the kids or anyone out of heat. Very comfortable back seat. They are heated. This is how you control everything. It's even got its own climate control back here. And on the passenger side, if no one's in front, you can control the seat. Pretty cool, isn't it? Unless someone's sitting up front, they might not think that's funny, but you can only do the passenger, obviously, as you climb advance, and the leg room is just. I'm 6 foot and lots of leg room, even with the seat all the way back. And these seats are very comfortable. Nice wheels with new tires on it. I thought I opened this, I guess not. There's a remote for that, but I got it in my pocket. You can open it with the remote also. What a trunk. It's got access to in the middle. And it shuts by itself. Pretty cool. These here light up orange at night. The letters, pretty neat. Very clean. There's your memory seat also for the passenger, which that's unusual. Air conditioned seat, heated. That's how you control it. You can feel the quality when you shut the door. How about a 5-liter V8 pushing 420 horse, which is about the same horsepower as a base Corvette or Camaro. Not bad for a sedan. Very clean. This K900 comes with the remainder of the factory warranty, which is 5 years, 60,000 miles. So plenty of warranty left. If you're looking for a unique sports sedan in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe you found it. To see if this K900 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. I have a simple credit application on my website. You can fill that out and I'll get to work, see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, toll free, 866-933-4680, or the texting is 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.